What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Nicole and I do all kinds of different content, but mainly plus size fashion hauls. So if that is of interest to you, definitely don't forget to subscribe. I haven't filmed a try-on haul video in probably a few months, so it was time to get back to it. Things were crazy over the summer and now we're back to school, so I feel like I'm kind of settling back into a routine. So we have a Fashion Nova haul. We have some good, still kind of like summery items, but I'm also, I feel like, slowly transitioning to fall items, just so when fall hits, honey, I am ready. I love fall more than anything, literally more than anything. So I'm just so excited. As always with all of my videos, I will leave every piece that I try on down in the description box below. Go check that out. There's also the link to my Instagram, sizing information, just all the good stuff is down there. So don't forget to check that out. All right, I think that is it. So without further ado, let's get into this haul. All right, first item is this little polo shirt. It is a little bit more form-fitting, slightly cropped, but nothing crazy. If you just like wore some high-waisted baggy jeans, I think it would be such a cute outfit. I love how the top has longer sleeves. I just prefer that myself. The material it's made of is pretty thick and very stretchy, so it's like really good quality. And I got this in a 3X, and this is the beige and brown colorway, if you will. Then I also picked up the same top but in a different color scheme, and this one I definitely put it on and I thought I look like, what's that guy's name from Blue's Clues? Him. Definitely with the teal and the blue, I don't know why, it was just giving Blue's Clues, but love this as well. Super bright and fun for the summer. Also picked this one up in a 3X and I thought the fit was great. Okay, this next one is definitely giving more fall. Look at the Argyle sweater. I've never owned, I don't think, anything Argyle, but I saw this on the site and I thought it was really cute. It is slightly more cropped, but also like oversized at the same time. Picked this one up in a 3X. It's made of a really soft, like knit material, like very soft. And I thought the fit was great, although it is oversized. That's like how it's supposed to be. So this is the third item that I got. Then I got this adorable knitted vest, and it's like a checkered material with the way that it's knitted. And in the try on portion, I just tried on the vest alone, but I feel like I would wear it with a top underneath. Still trying to figure out like exactly how I would want to style it, but I do love the vest look, and I think I want to start rocking this for the fall time, like vest in general. But I love this green color so much. Got this in a 3X as well, and I thought the fit was great, and it is stretchy. Next up we have, this is gonna be so cute for the fall. I picture black baggy jeans, like wide leg jeans maybe. Maybe not like an acid wash black, but like a little faded. I just think would be so cute with this leopard cardigan. Now the cardigan is more fitted, so I always like to do like opposites. Like if it's fitted up top, I try to do baggier on bottom. Or if I'm wearing like skinny jeans, I try to make my tops a little bit looser. But since this is so fitted, I feel like baggier jeans would look really cute. Got it in a 3X, very stretchy. They're not like where the buttons are, it's not sewn as well, so the buttons pull a little bit, but maybe I'll go in the middle of each and tack it at a later date. But 3X, very stretchy, very comfortable, love. Okay, next I got this knitted button-up short sleeve, I guess sweater. I mean, it's short sleeve, but it's just a basic like white knit material, like really heavy. This is like, whew, I'm getting a workout, honestly. Longer sleeves like I love. Once again, not tacked in between the buttons, so I might have to go in and sew a little bit, but because the buttons do pull and like from the side, you could probably see in, unless you wore like a cami or something under it. But very cute. Got it in a 3X, and I feel like it was a little bit oversized, but I liked it that way. Next up is another sweater. Like I am really in the fall mode, and it's funny because I'm in California and it is so hot. Like we're in the hundreds right now, and I'm buying sweaters. What's going on? But it's just so cute and I can't pass it up. This is like a rust orange brown type of a color. This oversized zip up knitted sweater. So adorable. These ones, the arms, like, I don't know how to explain it. They were just really oversized. This is slightly more of like a cropped sweater as well, but adorable. Got it in a 3X and it is stretchy. Okay, I think this top is so cute and I almost got it in 2 different colors, but I'm glad I didn't because it did not quite fit. It was definitely too tight. But look how cute this lime green top is. I just love the detailing on the neckline with this really pretty like lace. Now the buttons are those like metal clasps. So if it's too tight, honey, it is pulling, let me tell you. This was definitely, I feel like this like runs small because I feel like across the board I'm typically a 3X and I'm good. Like occasionally something might be too tight, but this was like so tight. But it is stretchy at the same time, so if you guys are smaller than me, you could probably get away with this. But absolutely adorable, love it. And then the sleeves are also, they kind of flare out at the bottom, but super cute. Got it in a 3X. Fit was not great for me. All right, last top, and then we're gonna move into some dresses. I got this short sleeve brown cable knit sweater top. Very, very stretchy, very, very soft. I actually think I might wear this tomorrow because although it's like sweater material, it's not super, super thick. So I think I'll be fine. Plus it's short sleeve. So, and my classroom is so cold, like literally freezing. So I think I'll be good in this, but I freaking love it. I feel like it's like a normal length. I know a lot of things I get from Fashion Nova I feel like are cropped because I do like a cropped look. Like not crazy cropped, but just a little on the shorter side. But this I feel is like a normal length. Got it in a 3X and I thought the fit was perfect. So we're moving on to dresses here. Now, when I put the order in, I was keeping in mind that I do have like 3 weddings coming up. The first one is next month in September, and I think it's a little bit more like chill vibes, so I didn't want like a gown or anything. I just wanted like a very like simple chill dress, but I don't think this is gonna be the one. I do like this one a lot. It's just plain black with buttons going down, very stretchy. I turned around and was there a giant hole right on my butt? Yes, there was. I can sew that up easily, not a problem. But even if there was no hole, I'm not sure if this is gonna be the one. I mean, it could be, it's a contender, but I just don't know if this is the vibe I'm going for. I almost wanna go a little more like summer dress type vibe, so we'll see. But got this in a 3X, it's black and very stretchy, very comfortable, love. Okay, this next one I saw on the site and I kept scrolling past it and something just really called me to it. I'm not sure if it's my vibe and I'm not sure if I will truly wear it, but there was just something about it. Maybe it was just like the way it looked on the model. I loved it, but it's a wild one. It's just a bunch of different fabrics just straight up pieced together. And it is a tank top dress, like with a collar, which I'm not usually a tank gal, but like I said, something just called me to this dress. It's not stretchy at all. The fit I thought was great. I'm just not sure I'm in love with the way it looked on me, but 3X, not stretchy, and I thought the fit was really good. Okay, here we go, more fall vibes. I actually thought when this was on the site that it was just the skirt, and then I got it and it was an entire dress with a belt. Like, wow, everything was included, huh? This brown top with the brown plaid bottom, total fall vibes. Comes with a skinny brown belt with gold detailing. The top portion is really stretchy and the bottom portion is like a heavy duty non-stretch material, but it's kind of pleated, so you definitely have room. The entire back is zip up, although I feel like, okay, I have a little trouble with the zipper. So I feel like it gets caught with the material, but I thought it was cute. I definitely didn't expect it, like I said, to be a whole dress, but we'll see. Okay, well the belt fell out. We'll see in the fall if I rock this or not, but I still think it's kind of cute. All right, next up is this black dress, another black dress. This one, okay, so one of the weddings we're going to is going to be in Mexico. And I just feel like this gives like beachy vibes, but also could be wedding vibes at the same time. Because it almost reminds me, like if you can tell with this material, of like a swimsuit cover up. But it's the shape of like a nice, like more formal dress, I guess. It's a fitted black dress, long sleeve. The full body is double lined and the arms are not, so you can see the arms through this, what I like to call bathing suit cover up material. There's a gold ring at the bust that kind of just adds a little something something, but I think it's so pretty. So this might be coming with me to Mexico. I'm not too sure, but I really like this a lot. I'm just not sure where I would wear it to at the moment besides that wedding. So we shall see. With the Mexico wedding, they have things planned like before the actual wedding itself, like little events. So I'm gonna need multiple outfits, so this could even be an option. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, next one is this green dress. This one's a little bit more fitted and it's supposed to be kind of like more off the shoulder on one side, but this material is just really like thin and slinky and it definitely shows everything. So if you're not a fan of that, this probably isn't the dress for you. I thought it was cute. I just feel like I would have to like accessorize it well and probably wear shapewear underneath. Whenever I do my try-ons, I never do use shapewear. I'm just letting you guys know. You're getting the real deal. So I like the color a lot. I do like the look, but I feel like something was off. I don't know what it is. Got it in 3X, very stretchy, and I thought it was cute overall. All right, last dress is another green dress. Can you guys tell that I love green? This one is more like a gown, definitely a lot drapier. Has multiple layers of this like chiffon like material. I think this one is really pretty. Also could be a contender for one of the weddings coming up. Got it in a 3X. It's not stretchy except through the waist. There is a thin elastic band, but other than that, it is not. I think it's super pretty. Love the color. Got it in a 3X. So that was everything that I got from Fashion Nova. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you guys have any questions or anything, comment down below and I'll see you guys in my next video.